Hi, welcome to Blessed Brown Kitchen. I'm going to cook a nice, sweet, delicious meat today. Pot roast mutton. So I'm not going to put it in no pressure cooker. Just put it on the stove and make it stir. Take it only a time. Steam and cook until it finish cook. Then I put in whatever I'm going to put inside of it. And I'm also going to show to you what I'm going to use inside of it. So this is the mutton. I already wash it with vinegar, and you can use a lime or your lemon to wash your meat 2 times or 3 times. Okay. Some spice season, some garlic powder, some browning, some black pepper, salt, paprika season, and some all-purpose season, and some chili pepper that I blend. If you go on my channel, you can see how I make my chili pepper. So I buy it in the supermarket and then I blend it and get it like this. So these is all we're going to use on the meat when it finish to pot roast. So when the meat come down and tender and soft, this is what we're going to use on this. So we have some thyme, scratch by the pepper and ginger. We have some carrots sliced up, some scallion sliced up, and some garlic and pimento seed, and some onion. 2 different flavors of onion I'm used. So it's the purple and the white onion. So it's time to show you going to season the meat. So now we don't season the meat. We're going to put it away to marinate for 20 minutes. So my pot is on and I have about 4 tablespoons of oil to do my pot roast meat. So we're going to test the oil. If the oil is hot for to do your put in your meat, the oil have to be hot. Okay, so it's time to put in the meat. I'm going to remove it from it. I'm going to allow it to brown and cook at the meantime. Same time, when it's browning, you cook at the same time, you steam it with warm water. So we're going to look at our meat. Wow. I love when meat pot roast. It's so nice and delicious. Yes, sweet. And the pot roast it, finger licking. I'm telling you. Take a little time to cook, but it's nice when you finish cook. So I'm going to check on the meat. Yes, it gets, you see, it gets soft and tender. Wow. We're going to get in our carrot. So we're going to put in the carrot. Yes. We're going to get in the tomato and the bell pepper. Get in our onion. Our ginger and thyme. And pepper. Scallion, or garlic and pimento. Going to allow it. I'm going to put a small amount of salt. We're going to add some all-purpose season again. Put a small amount of chili pepper. So we're going to look at it. Wow. Wow. The tender look. So delicious. So if you don't subscribe to my channel as yet, please, and God bless you. And thank you to watch my video. And thank to all of my subscribers. God bless you.